What if one simple device could free you from blackouts forever? In this video, we reveal the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, powerful, portable, and life-changing. You'll discover how to stay powered anywhere. If you find value, grab yours through the links below. Your off-grid freedom starts today. On number 6 is Mesuvida 100 watts. The sun doesn't send a bill, but most off-grid setups still feel powerless without the right gear. The Mesuvida 100 watts steps in like a quiet fixer. Real problem first. Slow charging and limited ports leave your solar generator and devices struggling outdoors. Here, things shift. With PD 65-watt USB-C and 5 output ports, it powers laptops, phones, and stations together without bottlenecks. Setup feels effortless. Fold, tilt, and you're harvesting energy in seconds. Its 23% plus efficiency keeps things moving when sunlight is strong. But honesty matters. Like most 100-watt panels, cloudy conditions cut performance sharply. Compared to heavier panels, it sacrifices raw output for portability. Still, for anyone exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this panel delivers something deeper than specs. It restores a sense of control when power feels uncertain. At number 5 is Jackery HomePower 3000. Most people don't realize a single outage can silently cost hundreds in spoiled food and lost work. And that's where the Jackery HomePower 3000 steps in with authority. First, the real struggle. Small generators fail when it matters most. They can't handle fridges, routers, and lights together. This one shifts everything. With 3,072 watt-hours capacity and 3,600 watt output, it keeps essential devices running for up to 1 to 2 days without stress. The near-instant UPS response keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Then comes flexibility. Solar, wall, or hybrid charging adapts to your situation. But let's be real. At around 27 kilograms, it's not built for quick carry trips. Compared to compact units, it's heavier, but far more capable. For those exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this isn't just backup power. It's the difference between disruption and control when life goes dark. At number 4 is BLUETTI ELITE 200 V2. A generator that charges faster than your patience runs out sounds unreal, until the BLUETTI ELITE 200 V2 proves it in real life. Start with the struggle. Off-grid living often means compromises, devices you can't run, batteries that drain too fast, and systems that feel limiting. Then comes the shift. With 2,600 watt continuous power and a 2,073 watt-hours capacity, it handles heavy appliances without hesitation, even pushing up to 3,900 watts when needed. Charging flips the script too, reaching 80% in under an hour, so downtime doesn't control your day. It runs quietly, efficiently, and lasts years with 6,000 plus cycles. Still, it's not featherlight, and solar input limits may require careful setup. Compared to smaller units, it sacrifices portability for serious endurance. For anyone exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this one doesn't just keep things running, it stretches your freedom further than expected. On number 3 is ECOFLOW Delta 3 Ultra Plus. Power isn't just electricity. It's the difference between chaos and calm when everything shuts down. And the ECOFLOW Delta 3 Ultra Plus proves that in seconds. Start with the reality. Most off-grid setups fail when demand spikes. Appliances trip, batteries drain, and silence turns stressful. Then comes the shift. With a 3,072 watt-hours capacity and 3,600 watt output, it runs multiple heavy devices at once without hesitation, while a 10 millisecond UPS keeps everything stable during outages. Now it gets smarter. Expandable up to 11 kilowatt hours, it grows with your needs. Days of power, not hours. Charging? Fast, flexible, and always ready. But here's the trade-off. It's not lightweight, and premium power comes at a higher cost. Compared to units, it offers more scalability but demands more investment. For anyone exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this one doesn't just supply energy, it quietly takes control when everything else slips away. At number 2 is Anker SOLIX F2000, a power station that feels more like a silent partner than a machine. That's the first surprise with the Anker SOLIX F2000. Start with the struggle. Off-grid life often turns into constant compromise, limited ports, slow recharge, and fear of running out at the worst moment. Then everything shifts. With a 2,048 watt-hours capacity and 2,400 watt output, it powers nearly everything you rely on, from appliances to tools, without hesitation. The experience feels smoother. Fast recharge hits 80% in about 1.4 hours, while 12 ports keep multiple devices alive together. Even mobility is handled. Wheels and a handle reduce the burden. But let's be honest, it's still bulky, and solar charging requires proper setup to unlock full potential. Compared to others, it leans toward durability and ecosystem simplicity over raw expandability. For those exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this unit doesn't just deliver power, it quietly removes the stress behind every watt you use. Now, moving to the last one is Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. When the grid disappears, most people realize too late how fragile their backup plan really is. And the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus answers that wake-up call with authority. Start with the gap. Smaller stations can't handle heavy loads or long outages, leaving you constantly rationing power. Then comes the shift. With over 2,000 watt-hours capacity and 3,000 watt output, it runs demanding appliances while staying stable and quiet, even under pressure. Expansion changes everything. From 2 kilowatt hours to 24 kilowatt hours, it adapts from short trips to serious off-grid living without replacing your system. Charging feels fast and flexible. Solar or wall both keep you moving. Still, it's not perfect. The weight is noticeable, and full performance often works best within its own ecosystem. Compared to others, it leans more toward reliability than ultra-fast innovation. For those exploring the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, this one turns uncertainty into something you can actually manage. I recommend the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus because it delivers power you can grow with, starting at a solid 2,043 watt-hour capacity and expandable up to 24 kilowatt hours for longer off-grid stays or multi-day blackouts. It pushes up to 3,000 watts to handle heavy loads, charges quickly from solar or wall outlets, and uses durable LiFePO4 cells designed for long life and safe everyday use. Its balance of output, expandability, and proven reliability makes it a versatile choice among the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living, whether for home backup, camping, or remote power needs. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar generator for off-grid living. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.